I'm going to show you a quick demo of IBM Data Science Experience. So we've got the two versions, the one desktop version for deployment on premises or for your personal use, and the cloud version that I'm actually going to show to you today. So when you open the cloud version, you see the start page, the community page, where you can search for various articles, datasets, and notebooks. So that's the search for oil production forecasts, and you can see there is plenty of articles, datasets, and the notebooks as well that can help you to maximize our company profits or forecast the time series data. So before I'll show you an example, I want to show you the example of the project. So this is an example of the project, and it has a data sets in it, CSVs or connection to the data warehouse. So in terms of connections, it's not only the IBM cloud connection, so we can also integrate with the external or on-premises sources. In this case, so for example, this definitely will give us the IBM cloud, the data sources, but the external sources, there is a very rich list of things you can connect to, from Amazon to Azure to IBM and local MySQL and Salesforce and other sources. As part of the project, there is also two things related to the analytics. They all is called assets. So we've got the models, and we can use the SPSS models here. Some models are trained, some models are untrained, and we've got the machine learning flows, which is basically the flow of from the data to applying some data transformations and applying some models on top of that. There's a huge variety of models, and as I said, you still can use the SPSS models to be run in this environment. So the bookmarks, you can bookmark in interesting stuff. The deployments, you actually can use the DevOps approach to deploy the models. And collaborators, you can add collaborators. So in this example, I've sent an invitation to Steve, and still waiting for him to confirm his statement that he joins that project. In terms of tools, there is a RStudio, Jupyter Notebooks, and Stream Designer that allows you to connect to the real-time sources, real-time data sources, and pick up the data on the fly and do some analytics on the fly. So connections, I just showed you the connections, how you connect to the external sources. Services, we can add multiple services. So I've added 3, I think, on this one. And so I think I've got cloud and yes, the B2 warehouse and streaming analytics, but what you can do, you can actually add more services. So for example, this set of Watson services could be added to this, or we can add additional services from data and analytics, and that includes this geospatial analytics, decision optimization, some graph analysis, and lots of other things. So back to my notebook. So this is how the open notebook looks like. So you can search for additional materials in documentation, and in a few lines of code you can process the data and actually very quickly build the graphs, which is very important if you're doing the data science. So graphs is the key thing. So this specific notebook, I'll just show you the outcomes and what we're trying to do on that. So we got 40 years of euro into the USD conversion rates, and we took 80% of it, and we're trying to predict the rest. So this is the green curve that shows the predicted values, and you see how well it's aligned to that. And you can see I just followed the tutorial on this on how to do that, and was able to repeat them very quickly. So that's it from my side. Thank you very much.